Is Spell Token still alive? What's going on with Spell Token? In this video, I'm going to quickly break down the Spell Token price action for you guys. Take a look at what's happened. I haven't done an update on Spell Token in a long time, and I do know that this channel did gain quite a few subscribers from my Spell Token updates. So I did want to just do you guys what you deserve here. For the ones that did follow my channel because of my Spell Token videos, I do want to make sure that I keep up with what's going on with Spell Token. It's really hard to keep up with everything going on in the crypto market, and it's really hard to really touch base and keep up with all the different cryptocurrencies that I've covered on this channel. And I hate that because I do cover a lot of different coins on this channel, and a lot of different people have subscribed to me because of certain coins, and I may not be able to keep updates on those regularly. But just know that I do think about it, and that's why I'm bringing you guys this quick update on Spell Token because, obviously, you know what's going on, guys. The markets are getting hammered. We're getting crushed, continuously getting crushed. But I wanted to take a look at Spell and just see what's going on with it. As far as developmental things, I really have not kept up with what's going on with Spell Token. There's too much other things going on economically, but coming from a technical perspective, we're going to jump into the chart here on the daily for Spell real quick. We're going to take a look at what's going on with this. One thing I am noticing on the weekly real quick, guys, don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe button if you are new and you love crypto. If you don't love crypto, maybe you shouldn't hit the like or subscribe, but if you love crypto, you're in the right place. So go ahead and join us on the weekly, guys, for Spell. I'm just going to go ahead and say it, of course, not financial advice. Invest, trade, hodl at your own risk. But what I would like to point out is this could still potentially play out as a double bottom. Obviously, it does look very much like a double bottom trying to play out on the weekly time frame, on the longer term time frame. So what I want to do, though, is go look back at the daily because we do have a pattern starting to form here, I believe. When we zoom in right down here on this price action, right down here, we do have a slight pattern here, which could get us a breakout, as it does look to me like it's trying to get a nice squeeze in here. So we're going to go ahead and put this pattern in. Talk about this target here real quick for Spell Token and just see where this target would get us. Now, I do believe that this pattern is a nice confirmed pattern. You do have 3 touches on the bottom there on the daily, so that's very good confirmation. And of course, you got multiple touches on the top there with these wicks, and you could bring it down here minus that little wick above to make those 3 touches. And that's what I would do, because the more touches, the more confirmation you have on this trend line being accurate, in my opinion. So we do have a nice asymmetrical triangle pattern for Spell. Now, this could go either way, of course. This could break to the upside or it could break to the downside, mostly depending on what happens, I guess, overall with the markets and with Bitcoin. But we can put in our measure move target here for this asymmetrical triangle pattern for Spell Token and just drag it over here. Let's go ahead and just get a little bullish. Let's get the bullish case first, and then we'll talk about the bearish target. And this is why I love TA. I love doing some technical analysis on a chart and then seeing it play out perfectly like this, because look at the measure move. So our measure move here, which is just simply the measurement of the width of the pattern, our measure move here, look at where it lines us up perfectly at our previous resistance, previous trading range here of resistance. Perfect area at the VRVP for resistance, right at this volume gap, and at my indicator here, which is that gray area and the red there. So we have overall just beautiful confirmation for this upside to take place. And that would be a fairly decent move from the current price of Spell Token. If we were to get this breakout to the upside, that would be a nice, healthy 30% move for Spell to the upside. Then, of course, we can drag our measure move target down here to the downside to see where this would go if we do continue our bearish trend, which is honestly, in my opinion, more likely, but possibly in the short term, we might get this break to the upside for Spell in the short term before correcting back to the downside to see lower lows. But if we don't even get the chance to break to the upside before creating lower lows, then that lower low is going to come, and it's going to come right here. And that target's going to be about 0.004975. I don't think I mentioned what the target was here to the upside, but that target, of course, is going to line us up right with the point of control, from the VRVP, and the target itself is going to be about, if I can see it right here, it's going to be about 0.00088. So that would be the target to the upside, and the target to the downside is going to be that 0.00049 or so, in that range. Now that would be once again, like I said, another decent move to the downside, right? That's going to be approximately a 20% move to the downside from the breakout point. And just to quickly zoom out and take a look at the weekly time frame and put in this resistance just to see what we're at here. honestly, we could say that this resistance here, this was sort of broken slightly there. But what I would go ahead and do is just make these connections here and see where this would get us. Now this would be basically our resistance that we would need to break in order to have a confirmed reversal. In my opinion, for Spell Token, we are going to absolutely have to get above. We're going to have to get above this resistance and stay above that. Once we can get above that, then we might actually get a reversal, a trend reversal for Spell on the longer term time frames. Until that happens, we could expect more sideways action and more downside, in my opinion. Thanks for watching this quick update on Spell Token. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash up the like. Drop some comments in the comment section down below. Let us know how you're holding up through all this mess. And of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Check links in the description. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one.